if you did not action on that, then you
Will
will,
not trip.
it will lead there to high high.
Where? Well, there is no here LSH. This is what I understand.
Okay. Okay, I understand what Khalid is saying, that it will not trip because there is no trip function here. Correct?
Okay.
No trip.
Okay.
You will
No, no,
need
no,
to
no.
trip.
Right. Only high of oil is tripping. High
Yeah,
of,
yeah. Oil is tripping.
of water is not. It is carried over.
I'm still awake.
But Khalid, Khalid, I want to challenge you. Can I?
No need to challenge me. I'm one of the attendees.
Yeah. I agree with Khalid because in the second stage water quantity is less, so the less water will go there, and where oil chamber, oil space is more.
We carried over only to the oil. Yeah.
Yeah, you're right. So no tripping here, no tripping.
Not tripping. Off spec.
Obstacle only. Leading to
Off spec.
obstacle.
Leading to off spec. No.
Potential because
Very small.
yes,
Very low.
That will see in the severity.
Separator, right? The signal usually.
to be settled in the FST.
Uh,
Erroneous.
You're right.
No impact on the stripping efficiency because we don't have any removal. We just have a physical stripping.
Yes.
water,
In fact, we are putting water also.
But increase the load is the wording of the hazard. So we agree not to challenge the hazard.
Let's not talk
We
about.
respect the part of the hazard, so you need to challenge.
Let's.
You can you're not there.
We follow the hazard, we don't challenge it. We agree from the beginning.
Okay. So response time we have, right? 50 to 30 minutes.
What do we have here in our response time from H to HH? I think we only have lower than that. Yeah.
No, we didn't have
We only have 0 to 5 there.
No. I tell you, because the water generation and coming in the second stage will be very less. The moment you get LH, you have response time.
Let's see.
Yeah. You must have more than 15 minutes.
You can check the cycle calculations.
Yeah.
We will check it based on the flow rate of the water. How much time it takes.
I think this is